This is FIMI X8 Mini, and today I'll show how you can perform the camera gimbal calibration on this drone. So first, open the camera view or device interface of the FIMI Navi Mini app, then launch settings by pressing this cog icon at the top right corner, excuse me. Then select this category, so either third icon from the bottom or fourth icon from the top. So once again, this one. And here you'll see the gimbal calibration option. In order to initialize it, press the calibrate button. Now place the drone horizontally before calibrating it, so mine is placed horizontally. Then start, and keep the drone still during the calibration process. And well, now simply wait until this automatic process finishes. So as you can see, the gimbal calibration has been finished successfully, so that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.